Hi, it's Carolyn here. Just wanted to tell you about the digital Swiss coupon pass. For just 39 Swiss franc, you can get over 100 vouchers that give you buy one, get one free deals on a huge range of attractions, admission fees, activities, even transport and dining experiences in Switzerland. So it's really great value. It's available every year, and the pass is valid from the 1st of December until the 30th of November the following year. So you can buy it early and then activate it when you get to Switzerland and redeem the coupons as you need them. Now, most people find that they only need to use one or two of the coupons and they've already recouped the cost of the pass. So it really is fantastic value. Some of the things you can save on are things like a Zurich Old Town walking tour, city tours, entrance to the FIFA Museum, brunches, and even a cheese fondue experience at Felsenegg restaurant above Zurich. In Lucerne, you've got things like walking tours, discounted admission to the Swiss Chocolate Adventure. You can buy one pocket knife and get another for free. You can enjoy 2-for-1 offers on the Sophia yacht cruise and heaps of other things. And on the other side of the country in Montreux, you get discounts on the 2-hour lake cruise, Freddy tours, entrance to Chaplin's World, uh, buy one, get one free tickets on the Lavaux Express train through the beautiful UNESCO listed vineyards, and even a very special buy one, get one free deal on the, well, actually not buy one, get one free, but you get a great discount on the cocktail and charcuterie board at Sinatra's Bar. So all over the country, there are fantastic deals to be had. As I said earlier, it costs just 39 Swiss franc. And if you used every voucher in the booklet, you could actually save up to 4,500 Swiss franc, which is just incredible value. I'll leave a link below. You can buy the digital Swiss coupon pass from holidaysto-switzerland.com. And if you're going to Switzerland, you really want this. It's absolutely fantastic value.